Hello and welcome to the topic what is language? The word language comes from a Latin word lingua and it means tongue. It may also mean speech and it may also mean language. Let's first talk about tongue. Why do we say that the Latin word lingua means tongue? Because tongue is an organ of speech with which we use language. We speak something. That is why we call it tongue. A speech because language helps us speak. And lingua, as the sound itself represents, is the same and equivalent to the word language in English. That is the idea here. We move on to the next. Now, language is a system of codes. And what are the codes in language? The codes in language we have, like A is a system of codes. Like we have B, a system of codes. Like we have D, we have this also a system of codes. So what here a system of codes means that it represents all the alphabets in English language, all the letters in English language. So language is basically a system of codes. And then with the help of those system of codes, we encode information. Encode information means that when you arrange those codes in a systematic manner, that is to say, you put them in order, you put them in system, that means you are encoding information. For example, we have A, B, D. For example, if you want to make a word, then you can make a word like B, A, D, bad. And we have 26 alphabets, we have 26 letters, and with the help of those letters, those alphabets, those codes, if you put them into order, you can make a lot of words. That is to say, encoding information. You encode those codes into proper order, into proper system. And when you encode information, when you put those codes into system, what do we get? Then we have to decode information. When we say decode information, it means that the idea of what is bad comes to your mind. If I write here cat, C-A-T, cat, then the picture of cat comes to your mind. The concept of cat comes to your mind. So decoding information is what message exactly you get. What is the output? What meaning have you derived from what is being encoded? So that is the idea behind encoding information and decoding information. We move on to the next. Continue. Language. Look, language an exclusively human property. Language is basically a human property. Animals cannot speak. It is especially for humans. It is the quality that is given to human only. So language is especially for human beings. That is why we call it human property. Next, humans as members of a social group express themselves. And with the help of language, humans express themselves as a social group on different occasions. In different circumstances, they use language, they express themselves, and they live their life. That is basically the idea behind language. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you. Goodbye.